What's going on, guys? It is your boy, Mr. Nolan here. Alright, so this is the third video today on statistics and data. This vocabulary word now is median. The median represents the middle of the data. Now there are a couple of steps you need to do. The first step is always to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. You have to do that first step. Now the second step I do differently than some teachers. I scratch one number from the very front, then one from the very back, and I alternate this until I'm left with one number. Now if you have two numbers left, then add those two numbers and divide by 2. So here's an example. Number 1, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Step 1 is to put them in order from least to greatest. I've already done that. Now, I scratch one off the front, one off the back. 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 Well, would you look at that? I'm left with one number. So your median is 25. Now notice I have 4 of them scratched off in front of the 25, and there's 4 scratched off behind the 25. So that would be your median. I'm going to keep this simple. If you have an odd amount of numbers, you will have exactly one median number. Now, if you look at this next one, we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 120, 40, 160, 180. Step 1, put them in order from least to greatest. Already done. Step 2, scratch one number from the very front, one from the very back. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Well, I'm left with 2 numbers now. Notice I have an even amount of numbers here total. There's an even amount. I scratched 4 from the front, 4 from the back. That leaves me with 2. Add those 2 numbers up. So 100 plus 90 is 190. And then divide by 2. 2 can go into 19 9 times. 2 can go into 10 5 times. So the median here is 95. So again, nice and simple. Put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Scratch one off the front, one off the back. If you have an odd amount of numbers, you will have exactly one median. If you have an even amount of numbers, you will have 2 medians in which you add those 2 numbers and then divide by 2 to get your final median. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.